Alright guys, so today's video, my buddy here, there he is. He just bought this S14 95 for quite a steal in today's market. It's a little rough shape, but it's actually really good shape at the same time. There's no rust on the frame, pinch welds are clean, quarter panels are clean. We finally got the trunk open as well. But there she is. Edit some of this shit out, you know. So right now, we're trying to pull out the harness so we can just clean the engine bay up and pull all this junk out of here. So we can replace hoses and clean up the harness and paint the engine bay and all that fun stuff. It's kind of messed up there. So we might try to beat it out with a hammer or replace it. What do you have to say about this?
So, this is a little daily track car for the track, just trying to get drifting and stuff. I got this for $1,500 with a welded diff and a brand new pair of Max Peds.
The Max Peds.
So I think it's a pretty good deal. It is a rebuilt Maryland title, but other than that, it's a pretty clean car. I couldn't ask for anything better. We're gonna completely redo this car. We're gonna do a wide body, probably red paint, and do a whole poopy conversion on this car as well. 5-lug swap, and we're planning on redoing the whole interior as well.
Look at this mod right here. Look at that. Who did that? Why? How could you do this thing?
Show me back the steering wheel. Show me back the nut.
Yeah, the nut's just chilling in there. Quality vehicle. Some people should not touch vehicles. You never know what they were going through at the time. You got 247 on her. Super mint crack dash. He plans on flocking it, don't you?
Yeah,
Walk a flock of flame that dash. We got the S14 wheels, the SEs, mint, immaculate shape. Strut bar. Alright. So most of the harness seems to be there, which is handy because they're kind of a pain to find. You can see the HVAC stuff right there. He does plan on putting AC back on it, and we're building the KA. We didn't film much of that, but she's kind of just tore down right now anyway. So, but we didn't film the disassembly. But that's kind of boring. There's plenty of videos of that.
Yeah, we'll be doing a full rebuild, and it'll be a rebuild stock for the most part. KA, just rebuild, boosted, and stock trans. Just fun little daily drift car. Until I piece together eventually the parts for an RV.
He wants to RV it. He wants to put the boat anchor in it.
I want to RV.
Pull out the perfect KA and put an RV. And also look at this. I mean, you can see it right here, clear as day on the dash, maybe. KA over SR.
It doesn't say KA over RV.
It doesn't. It doesn't. No rocker arms were dropped in this vehicle. Pulling off this immaculate shaped Zenke fender right here. I think you got another bolt right here. Two more bolts. Self-tapper sent in there.
Oh, this one's not even a self. They just put a
plastic push pin.
Yeah.
High quality build, quick release. Got the clapped out fender off. Pinch welds all nasty in that spot. So probably end up cutting that out and fixing it, or just wire wheeling it and see how far it gets fixed. But the bolts are still in there. We just ended up bending it off because it's probably gonna be real fun to take that out. Oh, keep stripping. All right, so decided probably best to just go ahead and pull the whole dash out. So just give her some tugs. She just comes right apart.
Yep, good old 240.
Good old high quality Nissans, just like when Jesus was on Earth still. Built cars like they were meant to be. So trying to pull the harness out and see what's in the way, I decided to pull out the blower motor here.
Crispy.
I bet that made a little. There's a pack of Marlboro Reds in there. He said this car was never smoked in. Got the dash all loose, all the bolts that were left in it, we removed them and dropped the column a little bit so we pull this dash out and really see what's going on back there. Feel me? Just like that, we wiggled and jimmied this thing on out of here. She's sitting over there. Probably gonna take the airbags out because, I mean, who needs those things anyway, right? So, keep stripping. Just like that, we got the dash bar out. Got the evaporator system out. Gonna go ahead and take out the blower motor. Damn HVAC actuator box thing, the directional box, whatever they call it. And getting it stripped down pretty quickly here.
Yeah.
The harness does look actually in good shape, so I don't think we should really mess with it too much. Unless we see something obviously worn out. So that's good.
You know how 90s wires are?
Quality. Pulling off all this old HID junk. Probably replace it with some blinding LEDs.
Yep, and then we're gonna cut the front. Not now, but eventually we're gonna cut this front and tube the whole front.
Probably just end up replacing because it's a bit yoked up.
Yep.
Cash for clunkers. Nice little hornet's nest chilling. So you gotta break it down so you can fit it through all the little holes and stuff, so we can fish it into the car and paint the bay up a little nicer. Right there we got the ENG harness pulled. She's a little crusty, but she's the ENG harness. Look at that thing.
Clean that thing up.
Yeesh.
Clean that thing up, bud.
Keep on stripping, scrapping. We're about call it scrap. I've been in scrap for 3 generations. I'm a scrapper. Carpet, we're getting her all loose. Stuck. Keep going.
All this shit.
Off he goes. On the journey every 240 owner must go. Throwing away the crust.